Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chess.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official chess.com game website. Now from the home page, click on the login button underneath the search box if you haven't already logged into your account, and then use your account credentials. After logging in using your credentials, you will be taken into your account. Now if you wish to change the language, then click on the settings button at the bottom left corner and then click on all settings. Now within the profile section for the settings page, scroll a little bit down and you will find the language option. Click on the drop down menu and you will see all of the languages that are available for the chess.com game. You can choose whichever language you wish to use by simply clicking on it, and you can also change the content language if you wish. After choosing your desired settings, click on the save button and your language will immediately be changed within your chess.com game. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your preferred language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your game language within the chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.